Welcome to Kurt's Home Living, Kurt's Desktop. Welcome to Kurt's Desktop. Today, I'm going to upgrade the memory on this laptop. This laptop I already upgraded from Windows 8 to Windows 10. So now I'm going to upgrade the memory from 4 gigabytes of RAM memory to 8 gigabytes of RAM memory. Some of these are easier than others. This is one of the easier ones. With any laptop, always unplug any laptop or any electronic anything before you do any work. Next thing on these laptops is to take the battery out. But that's the next source of power that you have to take out. And in this case, inside the battery, where the battery's at, there's 2 screws. We're going to take those 2 screws out. Each model is different. HP is different from IBM, different from Dell, and so on and so forth. It's good to always have a screwdriver with a metal tip. Magnetic
Put the tip
tip.
near the hard drive. I've been in this business, or at least in this industry, whether it's learning or teaching, or since the late 80s. Graduated in the mid 90s. Computer science degree. So I've been at it for a long time. I've seen many operating systems, from Windows for Workgroups to NT to XP to Windows 98. Windows 7, Windows 8. Now we're up to Windows 10. Okay, this particular one, you just slide this back like this. And there you have your memory unit. Just take these, there's 2 clamps in here. Take the clamps out, take the memory out. This is random access memory, RAM memory. Memory is a temporarily stored information while the processor is processing the information. So the more you have, the more programs that the processor can process at the same time. And I recommend anytime that you have Windows 10 installed on your computer, or have a computer with Windows 10, make sure you have 8 gigabytes minimum of RAM memory. Okay, here's the 2 new memory chips. I'm going to slide them in and hear the click. Okay, those are clicked properly in. Just to give you a brief rundown of the inside of the computer. This is the heat sink unit. This fan blows and keeps this heat sink metal piece, right, copper piece. It cools off the processor. This is central processing unit, CPU. As I stated, this is the RAM memory, random access memory. Here's your hard drive. And a lot of other components and things in here to make this thing work. Okay, we have the memory installed now.
And there's a lot of little gadgets nowadays that you have to get to keep yourself up to date if you're into this business. This is a device that transfers information. So you have an old computer and you want the information on the old computer's hard drive. You get somebody like me to go in there and take the hard drive out. You hook this device up to the hard drive. Plug it into the wall. And then you take this and you plug this into a USB port on your computer. And I always use a white towel when I'm doing this stuff so I can keep track of my screws and items like that. Plug it into your USB, turn your computer on, and you can transfer the files from this hard drive to the hard drive built into your computer, the one I showed you underneath. Very good device to have, about 25 bucks. Another good device to have is a good jump drive where you can mobilely transfer files from computer to computer. Most software comes on a jump drive nowadays. Most stuff doesn't come on a DVD anymore, like this Windows 10 CD. There's an older version of an SD card. I have a newer version, but actually it's in this camera that I'm filming from. SD card is another mobile device used to transfer files from somewhere to somewhere, or device to device. These typically go in a camera, a digital camera. And they slide into most modern computers. If not, they have converters to plug into the USB that you could plug just your SD disk in. Another good device to have is a external hard drive, a portable, pocket size. This is 500 gigabytes, which is half a terabyte. I've had this for a while, very useful. It also can come out and you can plug it right inside the computer. It can be an internal or external. Another good device to have is, this is the newer version of a pocket size hard drive, external mobile. This is 2 terabytes. So it's 4 times the amount that is, 3 times more than what the other one is. And if you have a laptop, get you a wireless mouse. Hand size, can go on any surface basically. If you don't like the glide pad that's on the laptop. Some people don't like this glide pad right here. So then you just get your external mouse. And you can do all the things that you could do, that you usually do with the mouse. So let's get this battery back in here, these screws back in. I know my way around the kitchen pretty good, but I know my way around this computer a lot better. And yes, I have tried to keep all the modern technology. You hear my Ring doorbell going off. Okay, that's it. Nowadays, the computers automatically recognize the memory change. You don't have to go into the CMOS or the BIOS setup anymore to solidify that it automatically installs it, puts it into the CMOS, and it goes into Windows. Windows automatically recognizes it as well. But that's how you swap out memory in a laptop. I'm going to close this up due to privacy issues. Thanks for watching Kurt's Desktop. Take care. Thanks for watching Kurt's Desktop.